Welcome everybody. Today we have the Evike Father's Day box of awesomeness. I'm not a dad myself, but I guess it's 2022, so I can identify as a dad, right? That's how things work these days. I can just be whatever I want to be. So we're going to pretend to be a dad today, and we're going to open this bad boy up and see what we get. We'll use the MP5 mag from the MP5K out of my C7 box. Kind of keep the theme of using the last magazine that I got going, so let's see what we get. There we go. Alright, so, wow, either it's upside down or in very non-Evike-like fashion. There's a very small amount of paper. Alright. Got masks. More masks. Oh, there we go. Gamer Dad Hex Patch. I've got a buddy who will definitely enjoy that one. Oh, another package of masks. And we have an Evike Interceptor. I'm assuming this here's a little gun bag. It's still kind of see-through, so I'm not really sure. I assume it's more just to keep it safe when you're storing it, so you don't get moisture and that sort of thing on your airsoft gun when you're keeping it stored for a while. Alright, I don't feel anything else small. Just the pamphlet. I see a card. Don't feel a card either. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Colt cyber gun. Looks like maybe the same M4 we got in the first one. Absolutely it is. I'm not even going to take that guy out of there because that's the same cyber gun Colt M4 we got in the first BOA we opened. It's not a bad little gun. I actually sold that to a buddy of mine. He's been playing around with it. He's been thinking about getting into airsoft, so you know, it's a good little starter gun. Yeah, let's see what else we got here. Alright, I see EMG. Angst arms. Let's see what we got. It is the EMG UDP-9. Nice little pistol caliber carbine. M-lock rail. Oh, full metal. Ooh, that's heavy. That's why she was 19 pounds. Yeah, not a bad looking little gun. I rather like it. Takes the straight stick pistol caliber carbine mags. Looks like it comes with two. We've got a, what is that, 2 mid caps? Wow. 2 mid caps. That's impressive. I like that. You can use it a little better right out of the box. Got a nice little speed loader with it. And a little Angst Arms EMG card with your QR code for the manual. Anything hiding under this little piece of foam? Nope, nothing in there. No, not a bad little gun at all. I got the nice little trades. It's got a nice ambidextrous charging handle, the kind of Radian Raptor style that you can hit from either side. Oh, it doesn't do the thing, so the bolt release is non-functional. Ambidextrous safety though. I do like that while it still has a long safety selector on the right side, it's kind of got a little notch in it so that it's not digging into your finger when you've got a nice high grip on your gun. Not bad at all. Normal selector on the other side for all us normal right-handed folks. And nice big paddle style mag release. Mags take a little oomph to get out of there. I'm sure once they wear in a little bit, they'll drop out a little easier. Is that how it is? No, yeah, it's just plastic. Thought it was a painted metal flash hider for a minute. It's actually not a bad looking little flash hider on the gun if it wasn't orange. Dang laws. But yeah, not a bad looking little gun. A little hand stop built into the end of the rail. It does look like it is removable if you don't prefer to run a hand stop, but gives you that nice little barricade stop if you're trying to rest on something to get a nice stable shot off. No, not a bad little gun. Adjustable stock. Got a little button on the side there. And there's a few positions. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And at the bottom, I guess you call it 6. Not bad. Tiny little stock, one side, but it's actually nice and compact, and it's still got a pretty decent little pad on the back of it, so it doesn't dig into the shoulder. Not bad. Drops right back in. I do like spring-loaded ones, but that's not bad. It's a small, light little stock. Battery compartment's just a button in the middle, and it pops right off. Decent sized little battery compartment. You can probably fit a stick in there pretty easily, or one of the shorter butterfly style ones, already wired to Dean's, which is nice. That's always a plus these days. Yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. Nice little gun. I'd call it a win even if this is one of the more base boxes. Definitely a nice little package. I'm sure we can find somebody else that needs a starter gun for the Colt, and I'll probably keep this bad boy for myself. I don't have a pistol caliber carbine yet, so I think that one might stay with me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.